Hello all. So I'm back. I was out for the week. As we were discussing what's new in 2023 release wave 2, let's think about what happened today. So a few hours ago, Microsoft did release Business Central 2023 release wave 2. So it's an officially released version now. So you're not no longer need beta versions and all to kind of test out what you are testing. As of today, you can start using Business Central and start using it on your tenants. So before we get into it, let's understand what are the updates of it. So Microsoft announced the general availability of Business Central Online 2023 release wave 2. So it's just online at this moment. The online version is released today, while the on-premise version will be released tomorrow, India time, October 3. As of today, any new customer who signs up for Business Central will automatically be getting 2023 release wave 2. Existing customer, as happens on every version, will receive an email notification when update becomes available for their individual tenant, which at this point they can extend the update for next 60 days. What happens going forward? As of today, if you are on Business Central SaaS, and let's go in. That's my preview. So if I go into my admin center right now, any new environment that I create today. So if I create new, and this is for new customers or existing customer. At this point, if you try to create a new environment in your Business Central online version, you will directly get a Business Central 2023 release wave 2. So let's wait for it and let's see what happens when we click new. So I say BC23 now. This is no longer a preview. Sandboxes, country, choose the country that you are in, and then come down and you will see only version that's available at this moment is 23. The preview is still available, but as of this moment I'll use this. Okay, let's hit create and start creating. Now let's understand what changes. So if you are in between an upgrade to a customer or an implementation to a customer, make sure that you don't delete ABC22 environment that your customer is testing if they are going live before 60 days. Because any new environment, either production or sandbox, that will get created after today will automatically be only created on 23. You can't go back to 22 right now. What happens for on-prem? We'll have to see what comes up tomorrow, and that'll be available. Now there are some other key element. I hope everybody know that the Business Central launch event, where there are 35 what's new session available, is available to be registered. So if you haven't registered on it, I'll just share the link and I'll also add it into the pinned comment. So I'll highly request everyone to attend the Business Central launch event, which is this time for 2023 release wave 2. There's a lot of good topics. The live session and the recordings will be start from 10th October 8 p.m. and will end on 13th October. Let's see what it is in it. It talks about each and every detail of all the features that has been enhanced. Now we did talk about some, but then getting a perspective from Microsoft how things are is always important. So I would highly encourage everyone to watch all these sessions and understand it. Now the Copilot in AI innovation will only be live on November 6th. So only this area is something that will not be able to see beforehand. Other than that, what's new in barcoding and all those features are grouped. There are different topics which are grouped under these headings. So it'll be easier to understand it from Microsoft perspective. Okay. What else? This is coming up and it's 100% free, so you don't have to pay for it. And there are some live Q&A. So let's see. The Business Central launch event takes place on October 10th to 12th. During the first 3 days, you'll be able to participate in a live opening session. That is the launch event. Watch sessions on 2023 release wave 2 and also participate in questions and answers. So there will be people from Microsoft and other folks from the community which will be answering those questions in the Q&A section. So I'll highly encourage to join it on between 10th and 12th and get all the answers of your questions. After October 12th, all these sessions will be available on demand until the end of January 2024. So after January 2024, if you want to watch these will not be available at this moment. Okay. I'll add this. This time the meeting seems to happen on Ring Central. Nice. We'll see that. And I'll add the link of this in the first pinned comment. So that's what's happening. Let's refresh this and see what's happening. It seems still preparing. One more thing. There are some issues which will apply to new sign up until the first hotfix rolls out, which means till the point 23.1 comes out. Users may see a watermark. User may see a watermark about expired AG grid license, which will only be applicable on your what do you call that? On the So you don't have to take actions on this. Yes, I remember it now. It'll only be visible on the analysis mode, but you don't have to worry about it because the analysis mode will function as it is, but there will be a watermark behind your grid, behind your analysis mode grid, and it may be okay. If it happens, you don't have to do anything. As per Microsoft, they are expecting to roll out a hotfix in next 5 days. In the meantime, while you're testing it, while you're doing your things, or while your customers are testing it, you don't have to worry about it. It'll get fixed in next 5 days. So let me know how you feel about it, and I'll wait for it to kind of get it created. And once it is ready, going forward, I'll do all the new feature demos on PC23 environment and the PC23 preview. Now, people who have 23 preview available, remember, as the launch happened today, the preview environment are supposed to be automatically removed after 1 month. So somewhere in early November, all these preview environment will automatically be removed. So just a warning, there is no notification that will come from Microsoft for removing preview environment because they are not supposed to be using any data that you have into the system. So if you are testing something, it's the time where you switch from a preview environment to the actual environment. If you would like me to talk about when the on-prem version is released, just add that into the comment section. You know the drill, right? And as this gets created, I'll continue my research and will keep you guys updated. So let me know what you think about it. You know the drill. If you like the content, hit the like button. If you'd like to share this information with the rest of the community members, do share this video. And if you haven't, please do subscribe to the channel. We keep talking about Business Central, and that's what the goal of this channel. So let's start hacking Business Central 2023, release wave 2. Till then, have a great day, and I'll see you next time with the next video on this channel. Thank you.